So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in Google Chrome. You want to right click on it and then click on open file location. And then once we're here, you want to find Google Chrome again. You want to right click on it, click on show more options, and then click on rename. Now we're just going to put a 1 at the end and click on enter. And now you want to right click on this, click on show more options, and then click on create shortcut. And then click on yes. If you already had Google Chrome on your desktop, you just want to delete this. And if you had it pinned to your taskbar, you want to unpin it. So you want to right click on it and then click on unpin. And from now on, you just want to use this new Google Chrome that you have right here. You want to double click on it. See if that works for you. You could also now pin this to your taskbar as well if you want to by right clicking on it. And then click on show more options. And then click on pin to taskbar. If that did not work for the second method, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description. You want to scroll down, select your language and then click on download. To know which one you need, you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. For me, I'm on 64-bit, so I want to be getting that one. If you're not on 64-bit, then you want to get the other one. So since I'm on 64-bit, I want to be getting the 64-bit one. I'm going to tick this and then click on download. And then click on the installer. And then click on I agree. And then click on install. And then click on yes. Wait for this to load. Click on yes if you get this. Click on close. See if that works for you. And now for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find Google Chrome. You want to click on the 3 dots, click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall Google Chrome. Now once you've uninstalled Google Chrome, you want to head over to any web browser, type in Google Chrome, and then you just want to re-download it again. Once you re-download Chrome again, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.